am standing now in front of this truck which already transported the food packages that we want to distribute for the people affected by the earthquake and tsunami in Palu, Donggala, Sigi, Indonesia. So in the food package you can see we have the bean, the green bean, the rice, the oil, sugar, soy sauce and salt. This is the food package that can sustain for 2 weeks ransom for the people, for the family.
Welcome to a child-friendly space run by World Vision for the survivors of both earthquake and tsunami. The innocent are hit by earthquake and tsunamis. The children are the most vulnerable and therefore probably the most innocent, so they need to get the trauma out.